Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick video about my Christmas house this year. I'm so excited. It took such a long time to do the windows, and the tree obviously is not that easy either, but I had so much fun. My dining table. Okay guys, this is my dining area. I love the table and the Christmas music box. And I'm a minimalist, so I didn't want a whole lot of stuff. And obviously my favorite color is white and the golds. So I couldn't go that traditional like the red and green. This year I did not feel like having that much of it in the house, but I got lots of gifts and some stuff around the tree that are red, green, with the traditional Christmas colors. But I had so much fun doing my home this year, and I am so grateful I had the opportunity to do my home the way that I want it to be, and to bring that winter fair feeling to it, because my theme this year is Winter Wonderland, and I was so looking forward to a white Christmas. And it didn't happen. Happy New Year!